I've got one of the most OG indie bands in Malaysia in the studio today. You guys don't wow. I know you guys know it's true as well. It's HUJAN. What's up?
Thank you.
I've got the bassist Izzat and the guitarist AG Coco with us. How are you guys feeling today? Okay?
Fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
we good.
The reason you guys are here is to talk about Good Vibes Festival. Congratulations on being part of the lineup. You guys are performing on day
On day 3,
3.
on 23rd.
All right.
Same day with the Strokes.
Speaking of that, are you guys excited to catch any performers during that day? Who are you most excited to catch?
Anderson Park,
This part.
Kid Leroy.
Kid Leroy.
Ooh. Now, you guys have been in the industry for 18 years. Do you guys ever get nervous anymore before you get on stage?
Technically, the nervous usually datang at time before nak perform kan.
Okay. Still, after
Still.
18 years.
But little bit lah.
Yeah.
Sikit je.
Just-
Bila dah on stage, tengok crowd ramai kan.
It's more to macam nervous sebab tak nervous.
Oh,
You know
okay.
what I mean?
Alright.
Macam, aku tak nervous, so aku nervous sebab aku tak nervous. Macam tu lah.
Faham. Yeah, you're like, what's wrong? Kenapa?
Yeah.
So, what can your fans expect from your Good Vibes set?
Kalau pasal set ni sebenarnya kena tanya AG. Pasal the set list semua dia yang ready kan.
I see. So the bassist just show up and macam main je lah.
Usually kita try to make every show different from the previous show the set list.
Okay.
Because our biggest problem is to dapat
choose the
song. The repertoire sangat banyak, so nak dapatkan the best set list for the concept festival lah. Yeah.
I see. So how are you gonna approach the set list this time for Good Vibes? Is there anything different or?
More to rearrange the music, more to the good vibe punya feel. Yeah.
Okay. And how would you guys describe the Good Vibe feel when it comes to the HUJAN set?
Depends, but if kita open at malam, then the concept will be more rock punya ni lah. Tak ada that ballad tak ada lah.
I want you guys to take a quiz with me to find out if HUJAN were a cat, what kind would you be?
Oh, okay.
How would you best describe yourself? Is it intelligent, loyal, gentle, playful, or obedient?
I'm loyal.
Oh, loyal. All right. Good quality to have. How would your friends describe you? I think your friend here can verify ke tak. Goofy, outgoing, trustworthy, talkative, or cooperative? Oh wait, you jawab first.
Trustworthy kot.
Trustworthy. Okay, Izzat, betul tak? Izzat macam
Yeah.
ke?
Bagi aku cooperative kot.
Cooperative.
Cooperative. Okay lah, cooperative lah. Okay, alright. Back to you, Izzat. What is your best trait? And AG, you can verify ke tak, okay? Is it kindness, honesty, love of learning, curiosity, or creativeness?
Curiosity.
Oh, betul lah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. You know yourself very well,
All
Izzat.
the time.
Serious. Back to you, AG. What is your worst trait? Is it dishonesty, rude, overprotective, self-centered, or jealous?
Overprotective kot.
Betul ke, Izzat?
Betul.
Alright.
Overprotective.
Okay. Finally, back to you, Izzat. Are you an introvert, ambivert, or extrovert?
Extrovert kot. Introvert tak kot. Extrovert.
Extrovert. Okay, so people give you energy lah.
Yep.
Alright. Congratulations. You guys combined, HUJAN is a Scottish fold. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Very cute. Well, you guys are gentle, intelligent, and docile. You make a lot of new friends with your charm. Memang betul lah.
Betul lah tu.
Betul, yes. Thank you so much, Izzat and AG, for being on HITZ talking to me today. Now, before we go, any last words to your new fans and to your rangers and about Good Vibes?
Okay, don't forget to get the tickets.
For Good Vibe Festival 2023.
Get the 3-day tickets because they are
3 days
so
pass kan.
very macam-macam acts yang best. You guys jangan miss lah.
Yep.
All right, and we'll see you there at Good Vibes this July. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see you guys perform.
Thank you.